Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Fun for Kids. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to see more updates. The title of the story is The Bird and the Tortoise.
Today I am feeling so lazy. I should go near the tree and take some rest. I should go there. I am feeling so tired. Oh, there's a bird. I should go and talk to him. He is living in a very shabby home. Ha ha ha. What a shabby home you have. It is made of broken twigs.
Tortoise, you shouldn't say that to my house.
Ha ha. Your house is so bad. It has no roof and looks crude. What worse is that you had to build it yourself.
No, Tortoise, I like my house. It is very comfortable.
No, it looks rough. I think my house, which is a shell, is much better than your pathetic nest.
Yes, it is made up of broken sticks. Looks shabby, but it is open to the elements of nature. It is crude, but I built it. I like it.
I guess it's just like the other nest, but not better than my shell. You must be jealous of my shell though.
My home has space for my family and friends. Your shell cannot accommodate anyone other than you. Maybe you have a better house, but I have a better home. Moral of the story: never bully anyone and value what you have. Thanks for watching Fun for Kids. Please like and subscribe and press the bell icon to see more updates. Goodbye.